April Fool's Day, also called All Fool's Day, is celebrated every year on 1st April as a day when people play practical jokes and hoaxes on each other, practiced by young and old alike. There is no age barrier. The jokes and their victims are known as April Fools. As April Fools is celebrated in different ways throughout the world, it is unknown exactly how the tradition originated. Some cultures saw it as the first day of spring, celebrating with general merriment and feasting, and certain calendars may consider it the first day of the year. One theory for the terming of an April Fool was that some refused to follow these calendars that recognized April 1st as the first day of the year, which resulted in being called an April Fool. While Americans will typically shout April Fools after pulling off a prank, Europeans sometimes refer to her holiday as April Fish, as many observers will tack a paper fish to another's back and yell, April Fish. The positive view is that April Fools can be good for one's health because it encourages jokes, hoaxes, pranks and belly laughs, bringing all the benefits of laughter including stress relief and reducing strain on the heart. Books, films, movies and television episodes have used April Fool's Day as their title or inspiration. April 1st has long been celebrated as a day to celebrate, well, foolishness to be exact. More specifically, April Fool's Day is about making other people look stupid with practical jokes.